There is only one thing in the world that I find it more exhilarating than taking out a single flying target in the air at 43 miles an hour. Let me show you what that is. Pull. Double the play, double the fun, and double the pleasure. Welcome to the introduction to doubles class. Let's get started. All your basic fundamentals and understanding with trap shooting still applies with trap doubles. The only difference is you have to take out 2 birds instead of 1. In this segment, we're going to go over where your gun should be at and what's the basic fundamentals to take out that first bird. And then we're going to go through different positioning on each post. We're going to start with post 1. Pull. Now that's the completion of post 1. Now let's advance to post 2. So then we're on post 2. The angle on post 2 is a little bit different than post 1. Wherever your hold point is on post 1, on post 2 you have to move it slightly to the right. And usually a good rule of thumb is from the center of the house, which in this case is the green pickle, slightly left of that. Pull. Now with post 3, you have an option to take it out the left bird first and then move on to the right bird, or shoot the right bird first and swing on to the left to take out the left bird. Just really depends where you're comfortable at and where your starting position is, which we'll cover later on in this segment. Pull. Now on to post 4. Post 4 is really just the exact reverse as post 2. So now from the center of the house, my hold point is slightly to the right of the pickle. The pickle is the green mechanism that's in the center. So my hold point will be about between the first and the second vertical line to the right of that pickle. Pull. Now on to our last post. This is post 5. It's exact reverse as post 1. My hold point on post 5, the second vertical line to the right, about 2 feet up above the concrete. Let me show you. Pull. And there you have it. That's all the hold points for the first bird on doubles. The next segment, we're going to transition in from the first bird to the second bird. Three. 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. All right, now we're gonna play a mini round of doubles. We have 3 shooters. We got Brian, Aaron, and myself. I'm gonna start on post 1, Aaron post 3, Brian on post 5. You take your shotgun, you put the cartridge in. Trap shooting is trap. There's only one thing in the world that I enjoy more than shooting a single target out in the air. Let me show you what that is. Oh. Huh, that wasn't it. Oh. Double the clays, double the fun, and double the pleasure. Let's get started. This is a class on introduction to trap shooting. World, I find it more exhilarating than taking out a single clay out in the air at 42 miles an hour. Let me show you what that is. Oh. Jack, it's our mini round of trap.
I killed my shin, dude.
Yeah.
Cracked it open on the second shot.